Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change out this molding right here. As you can see, mine is faded and cracked. Pretty simple job. All you're going to need is a pry tool to remove this and replace it with a new one. I'll have the parts number down in the bottom. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your hood open. There's a little plastic tab down here that you're going to have to pull out on while you're prying the piece off. So what you're going to want to do is grab the tab, pull it out a little bit so you have some space, and then you put your pry tool in between and push outwards towards the windshield. You'll hear some clicking. These are held on by clips. Hear them pop. Just be careful before you get to the top. There's a little clip that goes in there. You don't want to break that. Once you're towards the top, start pulling towards you so you don't break that piece that's inside you. And unfortunately, I broke the piece, so I'm going to have to lift this up, get in there, and push the piece out. Now you get your new piece. Slide the tab in this hole first. Make sure it gets in there. It pops in. And then the rest, you just pop this right back on. And there you go. Now the piece is brand new. I'll leave the part numbers in the description down below. Hopefully this helped you guys out if you have the same problem. So, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.